everyone! Welcome back to Bestseller Products. Today we're tackling a cleaning essential, cordless handheld vacuums. These little lifesavers are perfect for quick cleanups, pet hair, and reaching those tight spaces. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump into some buying tips before we dive into the top picks. Power. Consider how much suction you need. For basic tasks, lower power might suffice. For pet hair and tougher messes, prioritize strong suction. Battery life. How long do you need your vacuum to last on a single charge? Think about the size of your space and cleaning needs. Weight. A lightweight vacuum will be easier to maneuver, especially for reaching high areas. Features. Look for features like attachments for upholstery, crevices, and dusting. Emptying ease and filter maintenance are also important. Now, let's get into some of the best-selling cordless handheld vacuums on Amazon. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Quick Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Key feature, lightweight and compact design, great for quick cleanups. Pros, affordable, easy to maneuver, decent suction for basic tasks. Cons, smaller dustbin capacity, may not handle heavy messes or pet hair well. Shark CH701 Cyclone Pet Handheld Vacuum. Key feature, powerful cyclonic technology for strong suction, ideal for pet hair. Pros, excellent suction, comes with various attachments, good for carpets and upholstery. Cons, a bit heavier than some options, slightly higher price point. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. Key feature, specifically designed for pet hair with a motorized brush and strong suction. Pros, effective on pet hair, lightweight and portable, long battery life. Cons, smaller dustbin capacity, may not have as many attachments as some models. Shark WV201BK 1-Vac Cordless Hand Vac, lightweight and portable. Key feature, ultra-lightweight design, perfect for one-handed cleaning. Pros, super lightweight and easy to use, good for quick cleanups and dusting. Cons, not as powerful for tougher messes, smaller dustbin capacity. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Fur Buster Advanced Clean Plus Cordless Pet Handheld Vacuum. Key feature, powerful suction with a motorized brush for deep cleaning pet hair. Pros, excellent for pet hair, comes with multiple attachments, good for carpets and upholstery. Cons, heavier than some options, slightly higher price point. The best cordless handheld vacuum for you depends on your specific needs. If you're on a budget and need something for light cleanups, the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Quick Clean is a good choice. For pet hair, the Shark CH701 or Black Plus Decker Fur Buster Advanced Clean Plus are strong options. For ultimate portability, the Shark